Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the property outline feature in the Kaotec Retouches Lite. So first you want to use a selection tool. I'm going to use the polygonal lasso tool. Then just select around the property. You can be as accurate as you want. I'm just going to do this roughly. And then click the property outline feature. So this is the basic theme you'll get. You can customize this and do whatever you feel. What you can do is just lower the fill if you want to just take down this effect here in the background a bit, or we can open the effects. You can change the stroke color. Maybe you want to make it red. You can change the size. You can change the blend mode. You can mess around with that. You can also play around with this here. Let's go to inner shadow. So inner shadow, inner glow. We can increase the glow. We can change the color. Let's make it red. Currently it's on screen. Let's zoom in a bit. Just change this to normal. Let's take off the stroke and let's see what we got. Okay, you can increase the size and let's lower this opacity. Let's take that size down. See what we have here. There's really so much that you can do. Let's add some inner shadow. Let's see what that does. Okay, that's somewhat similar to the inner glow. Saturn, there's color overlay. Can maybe just change this to color. Just click on this box here and then just go to the color that you want. You can also change the hue. What else is there? We can add a gradient, drop shadow. Let's see what the drop shadow. I'm gonna take off this color and inner glow. Okay, so that is shadow on the inside, but let's just cancel this quickly. Let's do a different effect. Let's take off that and even the inner glow. I think this opacity is on 0, but let's take that off. Let's copy this layer, so Control or Command J. Now hold Alt or Option and just move on this line just above the outline layer, and then just click. Then let's click on the mask and Control or Command I to invert. And now what I want to do is I want to just add some drop shadow. Just drag and just move it a bit lower. You can take this opacity a bit lower. You can increase the shadow size. Just make it look like it's floating a bit. Yeah, there's just so much that you can do, and the cool thing is that you can just save an action, and once you're done doing your basic selection and then running the feature, after that step then you can play, you can start recording your action, maybe add a keyboard shortcut to it, and then yeah, then do your customization, and then just keep running the action whenever you want to do something. You can have like a few different themes. That way then you don't have to keep adjusting the effects every time. So then you'll just run the feature, run your action. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Until the next one, bye bye.